Having network issues? These simple Windows commands can help you troubleshoot and fix common internet connectivity problems. For this, go to Search and type CMD and then select Run as Administrator as shown here. If you get the pop-up, click on Yes. Now type ipconfig/release and press Enter. This will releases your current IP address. Next type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. This will requests a new IP address from the DHCP server. Next type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This will clears the DNS cache to resolve domain name issues. Next type netsh Winsock reset and press Enter. This will resets the Winsock catalog to fix socket-related issues. Next type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. This will resets the TCP, IP stack to resolve deeper network problems. Finally, restart your computer and your major network-related issue gets resolved. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.